Hello again, it's Anne here, and now that you've done a preliminary search of the literature, you need to start writing an annotated bibliography. So what is an annotated bibliography? It's really just a list of citations, resources, such as academic articles or books that you're going to use to reference your project. You probably found a lot of these when you did your literature review. Each citation also includes a brief descriptive and evaluative annotation. This is where the annotated part comes in. A really thorough annotation should be about 150 words. So why do I need to write this annotated bibliography? It's going to provide all the information, the relevance, the accuracy, and the quality of the cited source. It's going to serve as the basic information you're going to need to write your thematic literature review, as well as other parts of your report, such as your discussion section. If you have a well-written annotated bibliography, the thematic literature review becomes a piece of cake. So oftentimes when you'll read an article from a journal, you'll see an abstract at the beginning. These are summaries at the beginning of the article. Annotations are different than that. Annotations both summarize and evaluate. So when you write your annotation, you're going to summarize what you read, evaluate it, and also provide your perspective. What was helpful to you about what you read? How might it apply to your work? Do not simply copy the abstracts and use them as annotations. You'll find that you have way too much work to do when you get to your thematic literature review. Here's an example of an annotation. So at the top, I have the actual reference in APA style. And then below that, I've written just a short paragraph about, I gave it a summary, I evaluated, and I talked about how I might be able to use it for my project. There are a lot more examples of sample annotated bibliographies in your student materials. So to sum up, the annotated bibliography is the notes you will use to write your literature review. It's the reference you will use on your reference page, and it starts to provide the citation that you will use in the body of your text. It is not copies of abstracts. If you simply copy down abstracts, you're going to find yourself in a whole world of hurt when you start to write your thematic literature review. It's information that is synthesized with your thinking and for your purposes. And if you do it well, it makes the writing of the literature review efficient and painless.